everyone, in this video we will be visiting a supermarket, grocery store, supermarketto, Odakyu ox. Or let me know how to pronounce that store in the comments. You can see how packed and nicely organized the fruit are, and if you notice they have this little packaging on them, and I believe this is to prevent bruising on the fruits. I'm trying to include prices in this video so you can also tell that more high quality fruits are also more expensive. The ones that are cared for as they're produced are usually more expensive. They have an extremely wide selection on little desserts that are also really conveniently already made. Like, just how convenient is this bakery waffle in a to-go bag? And the kawaii pop culture is gonna be here even in the grocery stores. On the left here is pumpkin and the right is lotus root. And of course, expect a whole lot of fish. Tons of choices when it comes to tofu. And aisles that are really nicely organized. Expect also a good variety of flavors. Even in supermarkets, they have these little pre-made, almost like bento boxes. Almost pretty equivalent to a convenience store. Quickly grab and go and get the food that you need, which is super convenient. And this looked like it was mini sushi rolls. And here we have some chalk because Japan is known for its high quality chalk. And some aisles they have a 100 yen shop. As said, these cost 100 yen and equivalent to about $1 US. This reminded me of the game Go. If anyone knows more details about it, leave it in the comments. We were right next to a neighborhood in which I will be having another video come out of this neighborhood, so stay tuned to watch that.